Carbon monoxide poisoning likely killed 14-year-old Miller Gardner in Costa Rica. Officials found high levels of 600 parts per million in the hotel room where Yankees legend Brett Gardner's family was staying. The arena's Del Mar resort responded they're heartbroken and cooperating with authorities, but won't comment on unconfirmed hypotheses. The family had all fallen ill the day before Miller was found dead. The exact cause awaits official autopsy results, but investigators believe contamination came from specialized machine next door.